Hey, in this video I will be explaining how to convert a migration file in EMIGALL. Let's see the notepad. So migration file will be whatever we generate, that will be in a txt format, nothing but notepad. So this file we will generate in a bots or Sinitive or from SQL developer, wherever. So the initial file will be always notepad, and the file column should be tab delimited. The file format should be like this: legacy key, data type, and the number of column values. Okay, legacy key tab space, data type tab space, and each value tab space, like that. The structure we will keep in horizontal format. Each end structure will represent a key, nothing but in this file we have 3 legacy keys. Okay, so this is a notepad. I will show this is a notepad. Okay, and now we will go to EMIGALL and see, test is already there. Okay, let's try to create test2. Okay, first we will go utilities, convert migration file. Then see, our input directory is selected as this. Okay, we have to keep our file in this place. Okay, but the file which is in our download folder, not in A11 path. Okay, for that we need to keep our file in A11 path. Okay, we need to give a T code called CG3Z. Okay, let me show that. So now we are going to CG3Z. It will give a pop-up. Okay, the pop-up where we need to first file source path, we can just select the file. Okay, from that F4 button. In target path we need to give the correct path where we want to upload the file. So that's the reason I just copied the target path. Okay, and once I select that file, so it won't show all the files. We need to give the text or all the files so that it will show our files, and we can give file name our own wish. Okay, but it should be in txt format, because this is the source file. This file only we will convert for EMIGALL supported file. I will give as is, and I will upload it, and I can check this. See, this is properly uploaded. We can see the pop-up. Okay, and let's try to give that name. See, it will allow only 10 characters, so we can't give random names. In A11 our file will be there, that is not a problem. Okay, so I will upload the same file with a different name, this time limited length. Okay, I just copied the target A11 path. This pop-up sometimes it is hard to find actually. Yeah, finally I opened another T code. So this time I given as test2txt. Then I selected the same file. Then I uploaded it. See, this file also properly loaded, and we can see the file. Okay, so our path will be user SAP TMP. Okay, not this one, user SAP TNP. This is different one. This is user SAP trans. So we won't see our files here. So let's see. So the previous pop-up, user SAP TMP. Okay, let me go to A11 user SAP TMP. See this one. Here we will see our first file and second file, both txt1. Okay, the test is a EMIGALL converted file. Okay, text files we see from bots, we will have text files only always. So so the text file only we will upload. Okay, and while converting we can give the any name. This is the output file. So EMIGALL file conversion is this. Okay, this file only we can use it for EMIGALL node. Okay, and let's copy this, give that file. See, this was created just now. We can see only one record came, remaining records didn't came because this is case sensitive. First of all, okay, end structure only one came instead of 3. So we need to see, we have to check why this is happening. See, apart from first record, remaining 2 files doesn't have proper tab spaces. So we need to fix those tab spaces. Let me open the file again. I'm just renaming the file so that we will have backup in A11, because we uploaded A11 without adjustment. Okay, this time I will convert with a different name. So after fixing the tab spaces, see, I can see what is the issue this time. Okay, this time I didn't go with a utilities conversion approach. Okay, I just directly uploaded the file. See, we have 2 tab spaces, not 1. We shouldn't have 2 tab spaces, only 1 tab space is enough. So let's adjust the file. So we have 2 approaches. One is convert file via utilities approach. Okay, another approach is convert file directly upload. In a edit mode we have a upload button. Let me show that after fixing this file. Okay, done. See, let me go back, delete the file. This is directly binary one. Again, create, click on create, go to edit, data, upload, and select the file. That's it. This way also we can convert our text file to EMIGALL supported file. See, we got 3 records this time. Okay, but this will only work when we have low count in our text file. When we have mass count, we need to proceed with this utilities convert migration file approach only. So before that I am just uploading that my text file. Okay, because to do, let's see why we are doing. When we have larger count, we need to proceed in this way only. Utilities convert migration file, then we need to do like that. Okay, if we have very less count, we can just simply do the upload is fine. Okay, let's see, giving this much big name is not good actually. Let's see. So why I am uploading into A11 path? Because I want to convert the txt file to EMIGALL supported file. Okay, but this approach is when we have large count. Okay, the earlier approach is enough when we have lesser count. See, I uploaded. When I try to upload, it will ask me to overwrite. We can overwrite the file also. Okay, see, file is available now in A11. Now I can go to utilities, convert migration file, and give the file name, txt file name which we uploaded, then give the any file name which we want to convert. Click execute. That's it, migration file converted with this name. So upload is fine, this is also fine, both are fine. One is for less count in our text file, one is for large count in our text file. Okay, fine, thank you, bye. This file can be used for EMIGALL loads. Okay.